All right, here we go. Group break number 3. This is the 15-16 Upper Deck of the Cup. Single box break. Just finished the randoms not too long ago. Got Anaheim Ducks, Dean S. All the way down to PC Nelly with the Jets. Good luck, everyone. No trades were in this break. We have a sealed case here, guys. So what I'm going to do is open it up. I'll roll a dice. If I roll a 1, we take the top box. 3 or 1 or 2, take the top box. 3, 4, take the middle. 5, 6 on the bottom. Alright. Okay, so 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's the dice. It's a 3. So we'll take the middle one, guys. Alright. Those off to the side. Here we go, guys. Good luck to all. Thank you very much for joining. It's been a great night. Good luck to everyone in the break. First time opening the cup this year for myself. Box number was 1013. Alright, guys, here we go. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, number 104 of 249, base card of Victor Hedman. For the Arizona Coyotes, numbered 211 of 249, 2-color patch, Louis Domingue. Oh, very nice. For the Arizona Coyotes, Davey Moe. Wow. You got that spot on a filler too, buddy. Number 3 of 5. Look at those patches. Max Domi. Auto Patch Foundations, number 3 of 5. Nice hit, buddy. Nice hit. Way to pick those spots up, buddy. Congrats, man. So happy for you. Let's put that over there. I'll put that in a one-touch for you. For the Montreal Canadiens, number 248 of 249, autographed rookie, Daniel Carr. For the Carolina Hurricanes, printing plate 1/1 rookie masterpieces, Brett Pesce. And for the Anaheim Ducks, number 57 of 249, base card for Timo Solani. And that's all she wrote. Very nice hit. Nice break for Arizona, getting 2 cards, especially this one right here. Gorgeous card. Congratulations, Davey Mo. I'll get that off to you tomorrow. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining. Appreciate filling the breaks tonight. Be back with more breaks soon.